Columbia police still have no new information about a string of vehicle break-ins captured on video in North Columbia this month.
Might remember some of this that we showed you, a ring security footage that ABC 17 News got on August 13th that shows one of several attempted break-ins. Here, you can see people approaching the truck with one person watching the street and another pointing to what appears to be a gun at the house. That's all happening while a third person breaks the window of the truck.
Tonight, our ABC 17's Mitchell Kaminsky joins us live from the Columbia Police Department. Mitch, according to the National Insurance Crime Bureau, Missouri had over 27,000 vehicle thefts last year.
Yeah, Megan, Lucas, car break-ins have been on the rise across the country since 2019, according to that same study that you referenced, which was published last year. The Show Me State had the 7th highest vehicle theft rate in the country. I spoke with several insurance agents to find out how to best protect yourself.
Unfortunately, they have become more common than we really like to think about.
Phyllis Nichols is one of hundreds of insurance agents across the country who deal with vehicle-related break-in claims every year. She says while these claims are not as common as deer hits or hail damage, they are becoming more and more prevalent. Over 1 million vehicles were stolen in the United States in 2022, which is the highest total since 2008. It's one of the reasons that Britton Steele of Evertree Insurance advises you to have protection in place.
Planning in advance is key. I mean, it sucks to have the conversation with customers after the fact and they get to learn, what they needed.
While no one can predict a car break-in, there are several steps you can take to prevent it from happening. This includes locking your car, using a blanket to cover up valuables, keeping spare keys out of your car, parking in a well-lit area, and not leaving your engine running while your car is unattended.
I know some folks, especially as hot as it's going to be this week, they want to leave a little sliver open of their windows. Not advisable, because professional car thieves it's amazing what they can get done with just a little bit of room to be able to get into your car like that.
Marking certain parts of your car can also deter potential thieves.
If you actually etch the VIN number, say like on doors or windows, or even on catalytic converters, then it's one less thing, because they know that if they steal your vehicle, they've got to get that off of there before they can resell it.
Most insurance companies will cover vehicles damaged or stolen by car break-ins, which is usually covered under comprehensive insurance as an auto policy. However, oftentimes the aftermath falls under different deductibles.
Golf clubs get stolen, stuff like that. So it's a separate claim. So you'll have to pay 2 deductibles. And we really encourage you to just talk with your agent, use a insurance professional to just know what those deductibles are, because once it happens, it's too late to talk about it then.
Both Nichols and Steele advise people who have fallen victim to a car break-in to file a police report and then notify your insurance company that you plan on filing a claim. They also say if you have any video evidence or receipts of things that were stolen, that can help speed up the process. Reporting live in Columbia, Mitchell Kaminsky, ABC 17 News.
Mitchell, thank you. ABC 17 contacted one of the people in North Columbia who had his car damaged on August 13th. He tells us, as of today, police still have not contacted him since he filed an initial report.